Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make Egyptian lemonade updated. Juice 6 to 8 fresh lemons, strain the seeds, and mix the juice with cold water and sugar to taste. Add ice and 1 tablespoon of citric acid for brightness, stir until dissolved, and chill for at least 30 minutes so flavors meld. Serve over ice with a mint sprig and enjoy a bright, tangy drink that refreshes naturally. Make a sugar syrup by heating equal parts sugar and water until dissolved, then cool before adding to lemon juice. Use cold water and adjust sweetness gradually, tasting as you go, to avoid oversweetening. For a frothy texture, whisk vigorously or use a blender with ice for a slushy style. Consider adding a pinch of salt to balance flavors, and always chill the final mix well before serving for the best refreshing result. Quick recommendation: if you like this recipe, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. It really helps the channel. On another note, Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidy kitchens easy and frees time to enjoy drinks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider supporting the channel. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. To store Egyptian lemonade, refrigerate in an airtight pitcher for up to 3 days and stir before serving. Freeze in ice cube trays for long-term storage and dilute with water as needed when thawed. For a zingy twist, add a splash of ginger juice or a few crushed cardamom pods while infusing the syrup. Garnish with lemon wheels or mint and present in a chilled glass for a bright, authentic experience friends will love.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.